Hello and thanks for watching. Today we were diagnosing a problem with this 1992 Chevrolet G20 van. The problem is it's not starting. It acts like it's got a dead battery when you try to start it. This way here. See there? It started, but it had that hesitation there. Can you hear that? So that's the problem. Starts good first time, next time not so much. So we've replaced the battery, replaced the battery cables, and the problem persists. So we checked the ground, and the ground was okay. So we came under here, and you feel this starter, and from just that little bit of cranking, it's hot. So that's the only thing left. We're gonna replace that today. We got 2 bolts here. We got some electrical connections up here. This is your flywheel cover. We'll have to take that off to shim the starter to make sure that the teeth are lined up. So let's get started. Alright, so first thing to do, disconnect the battery cable. This has side posts. We're gonna disconnect the negative battery cable. It is an 8mm. Anytime you work on a car, one of the first steps is disconnect the negative battery cable. Especially when you're doing electronics, custom stereo systems, and things like that. And just leave it over here, make sure it doesn't touch like that. See? And we're gonna be good there. Okay, so now we need to remove the starter. This is a replacement starter. Got the solenoid, the starter itself, and the shims, and an Allen wrench. Allen wrench is going to be used later to check the shims. See this teeth right in there. Come out and hit the flywheel, spin the motor, and start it up. So, and I just got this from AutoZone Duralast. They got a lifetime warranty, so why not? Alright, so there's a 9/16. 2 bolts here. Wear your safety goggles. A lot of stuff falls out of here. Wish I had them cool ratchet box stand wrenches. These lines here are your brake lines, so be very careful you don't break those. I'm going to loosen this one all the way and then put it back in just a little bit so that the starter doesn't fall on my face. See there? I'm going to come right down. Starter slides right out of there like that. And then we gotta undo these wires off the solenoid. And I probably should have undone those wires first so they don't get pulled or anything, but I couldn't reach them. And when you take these wires off, you have to keep the nuts, put them right back on where they came from because they're all different. Different threads, different sizes. You don't want to get them mixed up. So,
What do you need me to do, baby?
hand me can't really see. Alright, and through the power of video and time lapse, basically it's just those two connections there, power and solenoid, 2 bolts there, and those are 9/16. The other one was a 10mm, and the other one was also a 9/16. So that's it.